Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, cut power at the breaker and service switch because safety first. Once done, open the electrical compartment and look for burned wires, melted insulation, or oil stains that indicate leaks. Use a gauge set to record static high and low pressures and note ambient temperature. This gives a baseline. Check the contactor and starting capacitor values printed on the casing. A weak capacitor often mimics a bad compressor. Make sure to wear gloves and eye protection while you work. You power the unit briefly while monitoring current with a clamp meter. Measure start and run amps because excessive draw or low draw tells you different failures. Once the compressor tries to start, listen. Persistent humming with no spin points to a locked rotor or bad start device. Next, isolate power and measure winding resistances across terminals and to ground. A short to ground or equalized resistances indicate internal failure. If readings differ from the nameplate expectations, the compressor is likely compromised. You finish by confirming locked rotor amps. Compare measured locked rotor amps to the compressor spec. Values outside spec mean internal damage and replacement. Once done, if the start capacitor or relay tested weak, replace them and retest. Many failures are solved this way. Make sure refrigerant pressures are within expected ranges. Abnormal pressures can force a good compressor to fail. If uncertain, call a sealed system technician. One tip: if the compressor trips breakers repeatedly, do not.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.